The 200i is going to run on a TT15, TT15 Mini, T5, or T5 Mini. Similar to the Alpha 100, what you're going to want to do is press and hold the power key on the dog device until you hear a beep and the green light starts flashing. From there, you're going to want to take your 200i handheld, go into Dog List, add a dog, pair collar, enter in your dog's name, hit the check mark, and there you go, you're ready to go hunt. You'll also notice on here I have 2 other dogs and they're inactive. At any time you can have up to 20 collars on this in play at any given one time, but here you can have more dogs in there that are inactive. So my dog back home, her collar's not active right now, but if I wanted to get her in, hit that, active, and there you go. The other nice thing is you can group dogs. So hunting out here, if you're hunting with a buddy, they can wirelessly send you their collar codes and it'll automatically sync into this device. You can also put those collars into different groups and make them active or inactive. The benefit to this is that you can have more than 20 collars into this system without having to delete or add them at any given time.